Hello friends, I'm Peter, this is Infinity Digital, and this is drone venture number 15. And this was my first attempt to find the ghost town of Wellington, Washington, which back in 1910 was the site of the most deadly avalanche in US history to date. Sometimes my episodes don't always go as planned, and this is one of them. But there's some cool scenery in there, I fall down, I get hurt, so enjoy. This is kind of a bummer. It's a really nice day and I had some time off and I drove all the way up here hoping to go see the ghost town of Wellington and the remains of the old rail station and snow shed there. But I'm right at the turnoff, and where the site is about 3.5 miles behind me. And as you can see, the road is closed and totally blocked. So if I want to go back there, it's a 3.5 mile hike just to get to where the start of it is. Should I do it? Okay guys, so here we go. This trail is obviously super closed and hasn't been traveled in a while. I don't have crampons, I don't have snowshoes, I don't have but my drone and my camera. And it's 3.5 miles to the site where Wellington, oh my goodness, this is bad. Where Wellington used to be. I really should have some snowshoes and some poles. This could get a little hardcore. Damn it. I don't know guys. I'm getting really tired already. I'm sinking into my knees almost with every step I take. Seriously was not expecting this much snow. One thing I can say is, would you look at that? Now looking at this slope here, coming down and all this debris going off that way, I can only speculate one thing: a friggin' avalanche. Well, I don't know guys, it's getting rough. Every step I take I'm going down, and according to my map that I downloaded earlier, I'm only going about 1/3 of the way. Okay. We're still going, and it's getting pretty bad. And even though sunset around here is about 8:30, I can only imagine that way right there is west. And once the sun stops drawing below that ridge, it's gonna start getting dark. And there she is right there. So sunset might be 8:30, but up here, I'd shave a few hours off of that. Why is it raining this much? It's gonna make the snow soft and soggy and wreck my gear. I gotta get back to the truck. How tall are road signs usually? 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet? Not a good sign, is it? I need to get out of here, seriously. I gotta stop and take a break, man. I'm getting worn out. But while I'm taking a break, the rain has stopped again, and I see some beautiful mountainsides and the roadway over there. I came up here, I want to get something, and that's beautiful to me. So, let's try this drone again. From here, I can glimpse the buildings at the trailhead. I can also see the structure of the snow sheds in the distance. I can also clearly see that there's a good 3 or 4 feet of snow still remaining here at the trailhead. And just behind the location, the beautiful, majestic peaks of the Cascade Mountains. But I can also tell how how dangerous this could be as well, with these mountainsides loaded with snow, and the snow tumbling down them, the amount of force. I can also start to appreciate how much danger I myself could possibly be in at this particular time. It is avalanche season. The town of Wellington and the poor victims that lost their lives here didn't stand a chance. I flew the drone for a little bit. It was beautiful looking, got my breath back, and I'm at that big snow chute. So I know I'm a little more than halfway back. So if you like these adventures, even if they suck, I did not time that. I went down in this snow chute, guys. My foot stuck. My boot's stuck under something. I can honestly say it didn't look this bad coming down. But it's May the 4th, and so it's National Star Wars Day. Get it? May the 4th be with you. And old Obi-Wan Kenobi used to say, don't trust your eyes, they can deceive you. On the bright side, it's melting. I can come back up here in a month or two, hopefully. Pretty sure that's the plow mound where my truck is. So yeah. Sorry for wasting your time. That was an adventure, wasn't it? Alright guys, we'll try again some other time.